Language generation technology has rapidly evolved in recent years, making it possible for machines to generate human-like language. Bharat GPT is a new language generation model developed by Indian researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. The model is based on the popular GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, architecture and is designed to generate human-like text in multiple Indian languages, including Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada. Bharat GPT is trained on a large corpus of text in these languages, making it capable of generating high-quality text that is contextually relevant and grammatically correct. The model is one of the most accurate and efficient language generation models available today. The transformer architecture is used in Bharat GPT, which is a type of neural network specifically designed for language modeling. The model is trained on a large corpus of text in the target language, which is used to generate a set of language models. Once the language models are generated, the model can be fine-tuned to generate specific types of text, such as news articles, blog posts, or social media posts. Bharat GPT has a wide range of applications in various fields, including language translation, content creation, chatbots, and personal assistance. In language translation, Bharat GPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, making it easier for people to communicate and understand each other. The model's ability to generate high-quality text in multiple Indian languages is particularly useful in a country like India, where there are many regional languages. In content creation, Bharat GPT can be used to generate content for various types of media, such as news articles, blog posts, or social media posts. The model can generate text that is contextually relevant and grammatically correct, making it a valuable tool for content creators. In chatbots, Bharat GPT can be used to develop chatbots that can communicate with users in natural language. This can improve customer service and user experience, as chatbots can provide quick and accurate responses to queries. In personal assistance, Bharat GPT can be used to develop personal assistants that can help people with various tasks, such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, or making reservations. The model's ability to generate human-like text can make these interactions more natural and intuitive. Bharat GPT is developed by co-rover, a Bengaluru-based conversational AI platform. The platform has launched Bharat GPT, a large language model that supports more than 12 Indian languages and over 120 foreign languages. The chatbot is capable of running rich data besides text such as images, audio, video, and even maps. Co-rover claims that Bharat GPT has an accuracy level of 90%, while ChatGPT's accuracy level has not been measured yet. Bharat GPT utilizes the vast amount of data and information available on the internet as its foundation, while also providing the option to fine-tune and augment its content. This enables the system to incorporate contextually relevant information based on factors such as region, sector, domain, client, business, and specific use cases, which ultimately ensures that customers receive up-to-date and pertinent information in response to their queries. Co-rover's Bharat GPT offers organizations the ability to build and manage chatbots across communication channels. Currently, co-rover is offering its AI virtual assistants to organizations like IRCTC, LIC, Max Life Insurance, NPCI, Government of India, among others with over 1 billion users. The latest offering from co-rover will provide organizations the ability to build and manage chatbots across communication channels. With its advanced capabilities, Bharat GPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate, work, and live.